In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Salesforce Authenticator app to your Salesforce account in a simple and straightforward way. Getting everything set up will boost your security and provide peace of mind, and it's just a few steps away. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure you have the Salesforce Authenticator app downloaded and ready to go on your mobile device. Depending on what kind of phone you have, head over to your App Store, whether it be the App Store for iOS users or Google Play for those with Android devices. Make sure you download and install the app so it's all set for the next steps. Next up, we need to log into your Salesforce account, so hop onto your computer and access your Salesforce as you usually would. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate through your personal settings. You'll want to click on your avatar or profile picture at the top of the screen and select Settings. If you're using the classic version of Salesforce, you'll be looking for My Settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to Advanced User Details or My Personal Information, followed by Advanced User Details once more. This is where the magic really starts. Under the section labeled App Registration, find Salesforce Authenticator and click on Connect. It's going to prompt a security check to ensure that everything is buttoned up and secure. Salesforce will send a verification code to your registered email address. Once you have the code, go ahead and enter it back in Salesforce and click Verify. This process helps confirm that it's really you who's setting this all up. Now comes the exciting part. Grab your phone and open up the Salesforce Authenticator app. It's time to start the connection from the mobile side. Once in the app, tap Add Account. At this point, the app presents you with a unique two-word phrase. This phrase is going to act as a key to link your Salesforce account to the app, so make sure you note it down or remember it. Head back over to where you were on your computer in Salesforce, and you'll need to enter this two-word phrase into the appropriate field. Once you've typed it in correctly, click Connect. Now, if you followed these steps closely, you should see that your Salesforce account is securely connected to your Salesforce Authenticator app. And there you have it, a seamless connection in just a few easy steps, leaving you with heightened security for your important Salesforce data. Thanks for following along, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Have a great day, and enjoy the extra peace of mind your new security setup will bring.